Hello kids, today we are going to write on red blue lines. Oh my god, so many red blue lines. I know you are getting confused from where to start and where to end. So to make it easy for you, we are going to practice on one set at a time. Here you will see a red line, a blue line, a blue line and a red line and one standing red line. Children, you can take help of your parents for drawing these lines. The left hand side of the red standing line is called the margin. You should never write in the margin. You will always start from the right hand side of the margin, that is from here. So hold the pencil like this and keep it on the red line. Today we are going to practice standing line which you have learned so far. So keep your pencil on the red line and go straight down, cross the blue line and stop at the second blue line. That's the standing line. Start from red line, go down, cross the blue line and stop at the second blue line. Yes, that's the standing line. Let's try it again. Start from red, go down, down to blue. Start from red line, go down, down to blue. From red line, down to blue line. From red line, down to blue line. That's the standing line. Practice with one set. When you are used to this, you can practice with two sets. So we'll try on this. Keep your pencil on the red line, go down to blue line. Red line 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 to blue line. Red to blue. That's the standing line. When you go to the next set, remember to leave this red line and go to the next red line, that is from here. So keep your pencil here and go down to blue. From red to blue. From red to blue. From red to blue. Standing line. When you are done with two sets, you can practice with three sets. When you are confident enough of writing on red-blue lines, you can practice in the notebook. So keep practicing.